under. So we have started the unit under the NEET syllabus. Which unit? Genetics and evolution, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And under this unit, there are two chapters. The first chapter, molecular basis of inheritance, and the second chapter we'll study, that is evolution. So we started with molecular basis of inheritance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In the previous lecture, students, we studied the last point we studied, that was nucleosome model, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What does the nucleosome do? Does the nucleosome wraps the DNA around it so that a very long thread can be fit into a compact space in the nucleus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So students, nucleosomes, see, other nucleosomes are nothing but the beaded strands.
Yes, ma'am.
सिंपल मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणतो मोत्यांची माळ, right? Beaded strand. So this is the strand, and are these the beads on it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So students, such nucleosomal strands are then wound into each other with the help of which proteins?
Non-histone protein.
Non-histone proteins.
Very good. Non-histone proteins. Okay, that is NHP. And they become what?
Chromatin fiber.
Yes. So does it become chromatin fiber?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Was this the last topic we studied in the previous lecture?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, students, let us study about this chromatin fibers in much detail. See, during cell division, what happens to these chromatin fibers?
It condenses.
Make it condense.
Very good. They undergoes condensation to become
Short and thick.
Chromosomes.
yeah, short and thick chromosomes. Very good. So everyone knows that. Okay. So today we'll study something more about this chromatin fiber. So आज के लेक्चर में क्योंकि मैं वहां पे जाती हूँ, फिर फोटो निकालती हूँ, फिर आती हूँ, टाइम वेस्ट। सबको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना आता है
Yes,
अपने
ma'am.
डिवाइस से? तो चलो फटाफट आज का जो लेक्चर होगा, जिसके नोट्स तुम्हें खुद बनाने हैं, ये नोट्स बनाने की जरूरत नहीं, डायरेक्टली डायग्रामेटिक फॉर्म है, यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दिस। स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लेक्चर में हमें दो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स पढ़ने हैं। वो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के फोटो लाइक डायग्रामेटिकली आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू हियर, बट तुमको डायग्राम निकाल के फिर वो एक्सपेरिमेंट को अपने वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन करना है। गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया, तो आज के लेक्चर का पहला नोट।
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So now let us talk about the chromatin fibers. Are they present inside the nucleus?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So students, suppose this is a nucleus having double nuclear membranes, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are these inside it?
Chromatin. Fibers.
Yes. Is it chromatin fibers? That is the genetic material, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But students, do you see that this chromatin fiber is again divided into two types? Here if you see, is it tightly packed and darkly stained? थोड़ा ज़्यादा dark दिख रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And this region if you see, is it loosely bound and lightly stained?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, this region of the chromatin fibers, which is
Loosely packed.
loosely bound and
Lightly stained.
lightly stained. Students, you know ना staining एक special chemical होता है which we use to stain the bacteria, the virus, the organelles, the genetic material, right? Stain is a chemical color.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this region is called euchromatin of the chromatin fiber. Yes, everyone? Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And this region of the chromatin fiber, which is
Tightly bound and
Darkly stained.
correct, tightly bound and darkly stained, is called heterochromatin. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, here the euchromatin is transcriptionally active region. The euchromatin is transcriptionally active region. 12th standard students में कोई भी बताओ मुझे why it is active region?
Contain more amount of DNA.
Very good. It contains, because here it contains more amount of DNA. That means active genes. So it will perform the process of transcription more better than this region. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Heterochromatin is transcriptionally inactive region. Why, Kunal?
Due to less content of DNA.
Correct. So simple words में euchromatin has more DNA, heterochromatin has less DNA. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So students, any doubt in chromatin fibers?
No.
No, ma'am.
Screenshot ले लो ये अगला note about the chromatin fibers, euchromatin, heterochromatin. अच्छा, you can add here more DNA and here
Less DNA.
less DNA. So everyone taken the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So students, ultimately, we can say that chromatin fibers are the genetic materials which are nothing but the chromosomes during cell division, made up of the DNA and proteins and contains genes. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Asmita, understanding or not?
Yes, miss. Understood.
So give response. Abhinandan, are you there?
नाही आहे वाटतं मिस तो आज मीटिंगला.
Okay, ठीक है. Now students, many scientists tried very hard, performed different types of experiments to find out the genetic material. Exactly ये genetic material है क्या? ये जो मैंने अभी पढ़ा है, अब तक हमने पढ़ा DNA क्या होता है, RNA क्या होता है, what is nucleoside, what is nucleotide, what is chromosome, what is chromatin fiber, what is nucleosome model. ये सब recent है, but long back जब हमें सिर्फ इतना पता था कि समथिंग इज देयर दैट वी कॉल जेनेटिक मटेरियल व्हिच इनहेरिट्स फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, बट ये एग्जैक्टली है क्या? नो वन न्यू दैट। ये जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल वो क्या है? वो कोई प्रोटीन है, वो कोई न्यूक्लिक एसिड है, वो कोई कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, क्या है? ओके, सो पहले हमने रीसेंट स्टडी पढ़ लिया, नाउ विल गो इनटू द हिस्ट्री। समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
So, in the process of the search of the genetic material, सबसे पहले it was believed that gene is a hypothetical particle. Can anyone explain me what do you mean by hypothetical particle? Ashlesha? Kunal,
Something which
Sairaj,
is
Nitesh,
proposed
chalo.
a kind of theory
Yeah,
doesn't exist.
something which is just a theory, having no evidence, having no proof, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Means it was just an idea. Just a thought, an idea, but there was no strong proof for that, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And ये किसने बताया था हमें? Did Mendelian experiments generated this idea that something is there that he called factor, which inherits from parents to the offspring, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Later on, the chromosomal theory given by the two scientists, Sutton and Boveri. ये जो दो साइंटिस्ट है इन्होंने क्रोमोसोम डिस्कवर किया। कहाँ पे? 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू टेल? फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा था हेरिडिटी में।
In the cells of grasshopper.
Cells of grasshopper.
करेक्ट, वेरी गुड। 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स, कभी भी कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट का डिक्लेरेशन हो सकता है एमसीक्यूज फॉर्म में, तो ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, यू नीड टू रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग। वेरी गुड। तो हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा है ना अभी 10th में,
Yes.
डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट के स्टोरीज, राइट? हु गिव द म्यूटेशनल थ्योरी?
Hugo de Rice.
Hugo de
Very good. Hugo de Rice. Very good. Okay. Who discovered the 20 amino acids genetic codes?
Hargobind Singh Khurana.
Good. Hargobind Khurana. Good. Okay, keep it up. So students, Sutton and Boveri ने grasshopper के सेल में क्रोमोसोम का डिस्कवरी किया. They found the chromosome is present in the nucleus of the cells of the grasshopper, and from that they proved that chromosomes are the units to carry genes. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Third scientist. अब 12th standard students, you have already studied Morgan's experiments.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Morgan ने कौन सा living thing use किया to identify the genes are located on the chromosomes?
Drosophila.
Correct. Is it Drosophila melanogaster? क्या है ये?
Yes.
Is it a fruit fly? Students, fruit बहुत पक जाते हैं तो उसके अराउंड वो छोटे-छोटे insects आते हैं ना, मराठीत आपण म्हणतो चिलट, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. ये इंसेक्ट के ऊपर मॉर्गन ने स्टडी किया. ये इंसेक्ट का रिप्रोडक्शन कैसे होता है साइंटिस्ट मॉर्गन ने स्टडी किया, एंड ही प्रूव्ड genes are located on the chromosomes. Okay, 11 students, you will study it soon, but I hope you understood this much. Morgan's experiments proved that what?
Genes are on the chromosomes.
Correct. Genes are located on the chromosomes. 11th students जब हम ये experiments पढ़ेंगे that time will understand. फिलहाल इतना याद. देखो, मेंडल के experiments ने बताया कि something is there which is carried from parent to offspring. Sutton and Boveri ने बोला वो something is nothing but chromosome which carries the gene. And Morgan ने बोला कि वो जो gene है it is on the chromosome. Any doubt? So these are all experiments in search of the genetic material, right?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
But still students इतना तो पता चल गया कि ये जेनेटिक मटेरियल या तो क्रोमोसोम है या जीन है, ओके, बट स्टिल इट वाज नॉट नोन व्हाट इज द बायोकेमिकल नेचर ऑफ द जेनेटिक मटेरियल. मतलब वो प्रोटीन है कि वो न्यूक्लिक एसिड है. यहाँ पे किसी ने प्रूव किया कि वो एग्जैक्टली क्या है.
No.
No, ma'am.
So chemical nature of genetic material was still not known, that whether it is a protein or a nucleic acid or something else. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
तो फिर अगले साइंटिस्ट आए, ग्रिफिथ. Griffith's experiments found that these particles are there. Like बहुत से साइंटिस्ट ने तो ये थ्योरी को डिसएग्री किया, नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, ये सब इमेजिनेशन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. ग्रिफिथ के एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ने ये प्रूव किया there is some transforming particle which he called transforming principle. What is that? उससे पहले ये स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, ये नोटबुक में लिखना है.
Done, miss.
Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to study now the scientist Griffith's experiment to study transforming principle. मे बी हेडिंग नहीं समझ में आ रहा होगा, एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे तो समझ में आ जाएगा. Well studied students, you've already studied it, right?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
So can you tell me which microorganism Griffith was studying?
Streptococcus pneumonia.
Very good. Very good. Griffith was studying the microorganism, that is a bacteria called Streptococcus pneumoniae. ऐसे ही बोलो तो स्पेलिंग याद रह जाता है. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Students, as it is the scientific name, should we underline it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
Okay. So this bacteria is responsible for which disease? नाम में ही है.
Pneumonia.
Pneumonia.
Yes. Pneumonia. Corona is followed by pneumonia and the people are dying. सुना तो होगा अभी.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
तो स्टूडेंट्स ये जो बैक्टीरिया है, लेट मी टेल यू, इट हैज मोर देन 90 strains. What do you mean by that? Strains?
Varieties.
What do you mean by strains? Yes, Ashlesha?
Varieties.
Varieties, correct. Bacteria is a one species, but this one species of the bacteria has different varieties. जैसे अभी मैंगो का सीजन है, मैंगो इज वन स्पीशीज बट इज इट इन डिफरेंट वैरायटीज? रत्नागिरी, अल्फोंसा, समथिंग समथिंग, क्या की आई डोंट नो. ओके, so there are different varieties of this bacteria, more than 90 strains of this bacteria there. क्यों? Isn't it due to the slight mutations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
स्ट्रेन वर्ड अभी तुम सुन ही रहे होगे न्यूज़ चैनल पे, कोरोना का नया स्ट्रेन और भी खतरनाक है. सो स्ट्रेन मींस क्या? जो ओरिजिनल स्पीशीज है उसमें कुछ स्लाइट म्यूटेशन होने की वजह से वो थोड़ा अलग टाइप का बन जाता है, अलग वैरायटी का बन जाता है. तो इसमें से द ग्रिफिथ, द साइंटिस्ट वाज अ माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट, उन्होंने लेबोरेटरी में ये जो बैक्टीरिया है इसका कल्चर करने के लिए रखा था. एवरीवन नोज व्हाट इज कल्चरिंग द बैक्टीरिया. He kept some growth medium in the culture dish on which the bacteria was allowed to grow, to multiply, to reproduce and to grow in number. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the culture dish, Griffith, when observed later on under the microscope, he found two main strains of this bacteria. Chalo, 12th standard students, can you tell me?
Virulent and virulent.
Okay, good. The virulent strain, what it is called? Smooth or rough?
Smooth.
Correct. Smooth strain, which is virulent, means harmful, infectious. Virulent का meaning है infectious. मतलब अगर ये वाला बैक्टीरिया S strain, smooth strain is written as S3 strain. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब मैंने S3 क्यों लिखा है? इधर देखो, it having more than 90 strains. So mainly सबसे
Yes, ma'am.
highly virulent कौन है? S3 strain. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
The another variety, the another strain of this bacteria. चलो tell 12th standard students quickly.
Rough strain.
Rough strain, which is
Virulent.
avirulent. Now can you tell me what do you mean by avirulent, Asmita?
Not infectious.
Yes, मतलब अगर ये बैक्टीरिया हमारी बॉडी में एंटर हुआ तो हमें इन्फेक्शन, हमें निमोनिया नहीं होगा. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अब ऐसे क्यों? See, your answer is in front of you. ये है स्मूथ स्ट्रेन बैक्टीरिया. And ये है rough strain bacteria. What do you see? Why it is rough? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is its outer surface rough?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is its outer surface smooth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You know why? Because this S strain, the S3 strain of this pneumococcal bacteria had which coating? Students, 12th standard students.
Polysaccharide.
Very good. Is such polysaccharide coat present here?
No, ma'am.
No.
So I'll write here polysaccharide coat is absent. And that is the reason students, इसके अराउंड एक स्पेशल प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग है पॉलीसैकेराइड का. तो जब ये बैक्टीरिया हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एंटर करता है, हमारी इम्यून सिस्टम, हमारे WBC इस कोटिंग की वजह से इसके ऊपर अटैक नहीं कर पाते. तो ये बचता है, मल्टीप्लाई होता है एंड हमें निमोनिया प्रोड्यूस करता है. व्हाट विल हैपन टू दिस?
It have no coating,
Attack.
so our immunity system can attack it.
Yes, so it is not having the coat, the protective coat around it. So will our immune system easily destroy it and it will not produce disease in us. That is why it is a virulent. But it
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब ग्रिफिथ ने क्या किया जब उनको ये दो स्ट्रेन्स मिले, he injected both of these strains into the mice body. No, mice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
पहले इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, ये अगला नोट तुम्हें लिखना है and then I'll draw the diagram for his experiments.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
मीटिंग एंड होने में कितना टाइम है?
It's almost 30
अरे
minutes.
स्टूडेंट जस्ट फॉरगॉट वन थिंग, वो जो स्क्रीनशॉट लिया ना तुमने, रफ स्ट्रेन लिखा था ना मैंने,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
वहां पे ना R2 लिखो उसको, R2 स्ट्रेन, प्लीज राइट इट समवेयर इन रफ. सो रफ स्ट्रेन इज R2, स्मूथ स्ट्रेन इज S3. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ सी हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. सबसे पहले उन्होंने S3 स्ट्रेन को किसमें इंजेक्ट किया?
Mice.
Mice में. And what he found? The mice was dead. Why?
Because
Because
pneumonia.
is it virulent in nature?
Yes.
Yes. As it is virulent in nature, it infected the mice and the mice was dead. Then what did he do? He took R2 strain, injected into
Mice body.
mice, and he found the mice was
Alive.
Alive.
still alive. And then he came to know that R2 strain is avirulent, right?
Yes.
Yes.
अब उन्होंने क्या किया, ये जो S3 स्ट्रेन है बैक्टीरिया का, इसको हाई टेम्परेचर पे हीट किया. बिकॉज ऑफ हीटिंग स्टूडेंट्स, उसका जो प्रोटेक्टिव पॉलीसैकेराइड कोट है वो डिजनरेट हो गया, डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया. सो आई राइट हियर, हीट किल्ड S3 strain was then injected into mice. What will happen now? The mice will be
Alive.
Alive.
right. Now the last step he did. Just do one thing. Take the screenshot. Last इसके लिए space नहीं है.
Done, miss.
Yes.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
So number 4, I'll just make it here only. Heat killed S3 strain plus R2 strain का मिक्सचर उन्होंने माइस में इंजेक्ट किया. अब मुझे बताओ, R2 भी अविरुलेंट है. Is it अविरुलेंट?
Yes.
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 Heat killed S3 भी अविरुलेंट है. Is it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
अब ये दोनों अविरुलेंट को मिक्स करके जो माइस की बॉडी में इंजेक्ट किया, he found the mice was
Dead.
Dead.
dead. Means, and students, when he dissected the mice body, what do you mean by dissected?
Cutting.
Or else I write, he studied the body sample of the dead mice. He studied the body sample, मतलब उन्होंने body fluid निकाला इस dead mice का, कि मर कैसे गया. दोनों तो अविरुलेंट स्ट्रेन इंजेक्ट किए थे, फिर भी कैसे मर गया. जब इन्होंने ये डेड माउस की बॉडी का बॉडी सैंपल निकाला एंड ऑब्जर्व किया, he found which strain in the body of the mice?
S3.
S3. So students, what he concluded, इसका पहले स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, ये 4th तुम्हें लिखना है. डू वन थिंग, तुम्हारी नोटबुक में 1 2 3 4 ऐसे एक ही इसमें बैठने चाहिए.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, done.
Done?
Yes.
Done, miss.
So students, अब मैं diagrammatically इसका observation निकालती हूँ. What did Griffith observed? Which is this train now?
R2.
Two, miss.
No. रेड कलर का है, पिछला वाला मैंने निकाला था रेड पेन से.
S3.
Yeah, but is it heat killed S3? I can say now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हीट killed होने की वजह से इसका आउटर स्मूथ कवरिंग कोट गया क्या?
Generated.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
प्लस which is this train?
R2.
R2.
Yes. R2 strain, and he found that mice was dead, and in the body of the mice, what did he find?
S3.
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 So he observed that something from the body or from the material of the heat-killed S3 transformed into R2 and converted into virulent S3. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So that something is nothing but
Genetic material.
Genetic.
and this genetic material he called
Transforming principle.
or actually it is called genetic material or a transforming particle. Why transforming particle? इस particle ने अविरुलेंट R2 को virulent S3 में convert किया क्या नहीं? Transform किया.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But still students देखो अब तक साइंटिस्ट बोल रहे थे नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं, जीन नहीं होता, क्रोमोसोम नहीं होता, but इसने प्रूव किया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ये जेनेटिक मटेरियल है जो जिसकी वजह से स्पीशीज स्ट्रेन किसी और टाइप में ट्रांसफॉर्म हो सकता है. बट स्टिल स्टूडेंट्स कुड ही टेल द नेचर ऑफ दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग प्रिंसिपल कि वो प्रोटीन है, वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, वो लिपिड है, कि वो क्या है? कुड ही टेल?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, miss.
No. He could only find that principle, he could only find that genetic material, but again he couldn't tell the nature of that transforming principle. तो अब अगले तीन साइंटिस्ट एवरी, मैकलियोड एंड मैककार्टी, इन तीनों ने मिलकर एक और एक्सपेरिमेंट किया and they finally told the nature, the chemical nature of this transforming principle. Should we study that?
Yes.
Yes.
Screenshot ले लिया?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Everyone took the screenshot?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
So Griffith could find only the transforming principle, but he could not find the chemical nature. So let us study the next trios. Why I am saying trios? Are there three scientists who done that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
But before that, should we leave and rejoin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, miss.
क्योंकि meeting end हो जाएगा. चलो leave and